Hey everyone, this is Sanjay from OpenAI. So in this video, we are going to see how to classify your emails. That is, whenever you get an email, your email can be classified into multiple different categories according to your business. And today I came up with different categories to categorize the email, so that you don't want to go in and out, searching what this email is regarding or like that. So basically, this automation does it all for you. So this automation is completely built on N8N. So yeah, so let's jump into the video and see how this works. So this automation triggers using the Gmail. So once you got the Gmail, I have set the poll time for every minute. So each and every minute, it just triggers the email if it gets an email or not. And also it only checks for the unread emails, so that you don't want to trigger this automation for the emails which you already saw or replied with. So the trigger is only for the unread emails. Soon after it gets the email, it passes to the information extractor. Basically, it extracts all the informations inside the email. So I also attached the prompt for the OpenAI. So so here OpenAI, I have attached it. So whenever it basically extracts the informations inside the email, and then it passes to the code in JavaScript, basically a small bit of code. What it does is it just looks for the name. If it doesn't have any name, it just replaces with hey or dear, something like that. So you don't want to sound something errorful. So if the email has the name, it will, like, let's say the email has Sanjay, the reply email will start with hey Sanjay or dear Sanjay. So if it doesn't have any name, it just starts with hey or hi, like that. So I have mapped all the informations here to the let's say the introduction is dear Sanjay, like I have done with the past email, so you can see that. So introduction is dear Sanjay, email body, what is your pricing for the AI voices. This is the email body which we received. So these are the segregations we segregated to understand the email properly. So this is basically the text classifier. This classifier is all the important one, because this is the one which classifies our email into separate categories. Is it lead inquiry or pricing request or meeting call request or support request? So these are the categories I have inputted here. Email got classified. It passes through this bit of JavaScript to understand and generate the output, or like reply for email, and also it checks for the unsubscribed and all those stuff. And then next it passes to the if-else node. The if-else node is used to identify whether it is a normal email or promotional or spam, because we don't want to reply to the promotional or spam emails. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, so after that, if it is a real email, it just passes through this node where we redirect the email into here, which we got the email. We'll be mapping here, and the subject for the email, and a message, that is subject is not mapped properly. Okay, let me see. So for subject, I think we'll just keep it as the introduction as a subject for now. Yeah. So yeah guys, so this is the overall automation, and I'm gonna run it right now and show you how this works. I'm gonna do compose Soren Aslon 2025. Oh shit. Hello. What are the pricing details of the message? Okay, so I just sent it right now. So yeah, this is the mail I have sent. We can go to here and wait for the execution. As I have set this triggered only for 1 minute, I think we should wait for a minute to get triggered. Yeah, you can see that our automation is running after a minute. Okay, it says it's successful. Let me just check my email. I'm going to go to inbox and give it a refresh. Oops, I didn't get the email. Let me see. Okay, so okay, it detected it as a spam. Okay, let me try one more time. Just ask the what is the pricing, and I'm going to just simply give this. Okay, I have sent. We'll just wait for the automation to get run. It should run within a minute, like it should run in 45, 0045. Okay, we got the automation running for 3 seconds, 4, 5. Soon after this runs, okay, it just ran. Yeah, we got the email. Dear Sanjay, thanks to reaching out. Could you please share a bit more about your requirements so you can assist today? Okay, guys. So this is the whole. Okay. Oh, I think this is the one which just gave me 2 emails. This is the past one, I think so. So yeah, so basically we got the email, and yeah guys, so this is all about the email classifier to get to understand which category this email is, and to generate the reply email to the one who sent to us. So if you want to implement this into your business, or if you want to use this JSON code, I'll just give a link at the description. You can just check it out. So yeah guys, see you in the next video. Bye.